Hello everyone. Today I will show my project that is web drum kit created using HTML, CSS and JavaScript and explain my project that is here is the code of the and here is the project that is web drum kit and show how to work. If I press A then clap and press S then and press D then click D and if I press G and so G and that is the project and here is the code and code is that in HTML and that is first line doc type HTML that means it is code written in HTML5 and first head head tag and another tag is body in body tag written in this code in window and in body head tag that is written in title that is web drum kit and so here web drum kit and here's the second line link to style.css and style.css means this is the style.css file created in same folder and link to html.html file then use link as- and style.css file and here the body and first body there is a div tag and there is a back button there is this if I press here then so if I press here then it is going to my portfolio website and there is the project and there is another div tag there is a class keys means here is the 8 key there is a S T F G H L K and if I press A then clap and another again we create the 8 div key 8 div means created a button that is AST then we created a div tag and in div tag we created a class that is key and for assign uh, pass to tag that is kdd means if we press A that is input from keyboard then use the kdd that is kdd means that is same as p tag and this is the kdd means input from keyboard like and second is span means there is the clap so clap for span and there is the take a class sound if we take a data key means 65 it means ASCII value of A if I press A then computer not so what is A then for computer purpose and we pass the ASCII value of A that is 65 and this is the for styling purpose we use class that is key and key is that here is the class and then for CSS that key and we for border that is dot 4 rem solid black that is border and there is a border radius that is 0.5 rem that is some if I change the rem here that is 5 then so here in full circle per if I again in it is rectangular and another is margin means between two button there is some margin that is 1.5 rem and padding transition this is the method and for styling and for 8 key to write again for 8 that is first A and S D F and again we pass the another that is ASCII value of S is 83 and ASCII value of D is 68 and ASCII value of F is 70 that is and we pass the class that is for if a because If I press A, then it is a sound, that is clap. And this audio is here. This is the total 9 audio. We pass the audio, and this audio and again we pass the data key, that is 65. If I press A, then 65 is equal to 65, and source, that is sound, and there is a file. This is a folder, and there is a sound folder and sound folder in many sound, and total 9 audio. And there is a JavaScript code, that is here you will retain two function, that is remove transition, and another function is play sound. First, if I press any key from keyboard, that is A, S, then if I press A, then sound play A, that is clap, that is set from in background. Like first, if we check here, window dot add event key, that is key down. If key down means if I press a button from keyboard, and then call the function play sound. If I play sound, then in audio document dot query select, uh, it is match e dot key code, that is it is what is the press. If I press A, that is ask value of 65, then it is audio is 65. Then key, what is key? It is key man. If I press here the show, if I press A, then it is a blank, that is yellow color. There is the audio, and if there is another function, that is key. If I press here if I press S, then show some light here, that is press S. For this purpose we uh, another function, that is transition, remove transition function. Like if we not write this function, like if you comment down, that is, then so here what is S D, then this is the it is means if we press D, then class, that is a press, that is not the remove transition. Then for removing the transition, we use the remove transition function. Like here's the remove transition function. If e dot property name not equal to transition, then return, that is means no transition. If we match the transition, then play sound and show the light here. Same like in play sound, like first in audio data key equal to e dot key down, it means key code, that is if you press A, that is 65 data key is equal, both are equal, and send to audio, that is if I press audio is A, and key is same 65. If audio, if that is 65, that is here's the audio data key is 65, match the value, and it means play audio play. If not match, then return not play the audio. This is the whole code of webdrum kit, that is. And there's the CSS file for styling, that is first body, that is margin 0 and padding 0, and font family, that is sans serif, and that is keys. Key means whole div tag, that is keys, whereas the all 9 key into the div tag. And there is the another class, that is key for individual button. And there is the playing class for the play the sound. For KDD, for input from keyboard, that is sound class. And that is background button, and background button, that is A, that is anchor tag. Like here, this is the whole code explanation. Thank you everyone. That is the it means